Hello everybody, it's Miss Perry and today we're going to do another sound practice video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some minimal pair words to practice long air versus short air. Now, minimal pair words are words that only differ by one sound. So it's important to hear the difference between the long air sound and the short air sound. So today we are going to practice the letter F and the letter P. Now think for a minute, how do I make the sound of F? That's right, my teeth are gently touching my bottom lip. And the air is very long. This will be our long air sound. Now think, how do I make the sound of letter P? That is our short air sound. The air comes out quick and it's kind of like a pop. So today, let's listen for the fan, long air, and the pop, short air sound. Here we have two different pictures, and remember they only differ by one sound. Let's practice by answering these questions and practicing the words. What can you do with a drink? Can you long air, for, or short air, pour? What can you do with a drink? Short air, pour. Yes, you can pour a drink. Which is a number? Long air, for, or short air, pour? Yes, long air, 4 is a number. Nice job. What is the outside of a banana called? Long air, feel, or short air, peel? What is the outside of a banana called? Yes, the outside of a banana is called the peel, short air. What can you do with your hands? Long air, feel, or short air, peel? What can I do with my hands? Long air, yes, you can feel with your hands. What can you use to make a picture? This one uses long air, faint, and this one uses short air, paint. What can you do? What can you use to make a picture? Yes, you can use paint to make a picture. What can happen if you get too hot? Long air, faint, or short air, paint? This is the long air. If you get too hot, you can faint. Oh no! Let's try one more using long air or short air. What is a fruit you can eat? Is it the long air word, fair, or the short air word, pear? What is a fruit you can eat? A pear is a fruit you can eat. Yum. Last one, boys and girls. Let's help me out. Where can you go to ride on rides? Long air word, fair, or my short air word, Pair. Where can you go to ride on rides? Yes, you can go to the fair to ride on rides. That sounds like a lot of fun, boys and girls. I wish we could go out to the fair. All right, I want you to practice your long air versus your short air sound, and let's listen for those differences. Have fun practicing at home.